Hello guys, this is Devi and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. You guys who have subscribed to my channel, I would like to thank you for that. You're doing a wonderful job. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll always be informed whenever I get a new video out. So guys, and in today's video, I just want to talk about Bitcoin and why you need to buy Bitcoin now. You need to buy Bitcoin just now. Guys, Bitcoin is in the news everywhere. This is CNBC, this is The Guardian, this is BBC. These are the only ones I've managed to get at the moment, but it is in the news everywhere. So guys, these billionaires are getting into crypto. Elon Musk and his Tesla company are getting into Bitcoin. So what do you think will happen to the price of Bitcoin once these billionaires are getting into the crypto business? So over time, these are the guys who have not been believing in Bitcoin. They were saying that it is a scam, it is a scam. Now, if they have gotten the wisdom and they are starting to buy Bitcoin, why are you not buying Bitcoin for yourself? You just have to use every penny you have to buy at least Bitcoin worthy the amount that you can manage to buy it with. So this is CNBC. It says that Tesla buys 1.5 billion US dollars in Bitcoin and plans to accept it as a payment. So you know Tesla, it makes electric cars. So if they have ventured into Bitcoin and they are planning to accept it as a mode of payment, so it means that crypto is going global and it is now going to be accepted by these high-tech companies and everywhere. So as you can see here, the company also said that it would start accepting Bitcoin as a method of its payment for its products. So guys, just be on the wise side and buy at least Bitcoin worthy any amount that you can. Don't be left out of this. Just use the correct mindset and follow the trend. Follow what people are doing at the moment. Don't be left out. Buy Bitcoin. If you cannot buy Bitcoin, earn Bitcoin. Now, for me personally, I buy it and I keep it, and I also earn it in my passive income programs. For example, there is QUBIT TECH. This program, it gives us 250% of what we have put in, and you can invest your Bitcoin or Ethereum from as low as 100 US dollars. It has got the digital licenses. That is bronze, which costs just 100 US dollars. To put in 100 US dollars, you get 250 US dollars out. That is 250%. Or you can put in 500 US dollars and get 1,250. You can put in 1,000 and get 2,500. You can put in 5,000 and you get 12,500, or you can put in 10,000 and you get 25,000. You can put in 25,000 and get 62,500, or you can put in 50,000 and get 125,000 US dollars, or you can put in 100,000 US dollars and get 250,000 US dollars out of it. So guys, this is how we accumulate Bitcoin. You buy it, you invest it in a Bitcoin passive income program, and it gives you returns of your investment, as well as you also gain from the price appreciation of the Bitcoin. So me personally, I can't buy Bitcoin and I leave it to sit in my wallet. I have to invest it somewhere, and it gives me more profit on top of the price appreciation that I would have gotten when it is just sitting in my wallet. So that is QUBIT TECH, guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can check it out, and I'm also going to leave a review video. You can watch and see what QUBIT TECH does, how they generate their money. They are into the forex business and cryptocurrency trading. You give them money, they trade using it, and they give you profits of your investment. So so that is Bitcoin. It is being talked of in all the news. The Guardian also says the same thing. Tesla buys 1.5 billion bitcoins, pushing the price to all new high. So this is the trend of Bitcoin, how it has been from somewhere here. You can see that in 2017 it started to increase, and in 2018 it got a all-time high, which was below 20,000. Then it started falling. Now in 2019 it reached somewhere here. Then from there it has been increasing up to where we are now at the moment. So if I'm to check its current price, let me refresh this. It was 46, now it is 47,000 USD. Just one Bitcoin like this. It is just keeps increasing all the time. So you just have to surf the wave, the Bitcoin wave, and buy at least one Bitcoin. So for those of you who have credit cards, you can buy Bitcoin from blockchain app. They have that feature. You just have to pay using your credit card. And there are also some other sites that you can buy, like Coinbase and so on. So guys, buy Bitcoin and wait and see how massive this is gonna be. So the strategy I used to multiply my Bitcoin, you buy it. Actually, I've spent some time without buying Bitcoin. I just earn it from my passive income programs, and it sits in my wallet. I reinvest it. It gives me more profits, as well as while I enjoy the price appreciation over time. So now just imagine you bought it here at 30,000. Just see from 27th of January, if you bought it here, now it was at 30,000, and today 8th February it is at 46,000. So you would have made some pretty profits there with just buying Bitcoin. Just have to make the wise decision and buy Bitcoin. Buy it and invest it somewhere in the program that you can trust. Me personally, I put it in QUBIT TECH, and you see I earned 180 US dollars just from yesterday. So guys, that's it. Buy Bitcoin. Don't be left out of the wave. You will thank me later. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You like this video, you can also share it. People need to know what to do about Bitcoin. Share the video and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video that I will be bringing out. So that's it guys. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.